Good afternoon, class. Now let's start that story only. Oddly enough, Koki's mother has chosen that day for the visiting the temple. So he was unaware of the fuss that was being made of her pet, or even that it had been made an honorary member of the zoo. The zoo had convinced himself that she won't mind. तो जो उनकी बूढ़ी दादी थी उनको इस सब के बारे में पता ही नहीं था, उन्हें पता ही नहीं था कि घर पे क्या चक्कर चल रहा है, क्या बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं उन सारे पेट्स के साथ. While Mukesh and Teju were escorting visitors around the zoo, lecturing them on the wild dogs and wild asses, Koki and Dolly were doing a brisk trade at a ticket counter. सो मुकेश एंड तेजू लोगों को सबके बारे में समझा रहे थे और कोकी और डॉली टिकट काउंटर संभाल रही थी. दे हैड कलेक्टेड अबाउट 10 रुपीज बट होपिंग फॉर येट मोर when there was a disturbance in the enclosures. The black dog with a yellow eyes had finally managed to dig his way out of his cage and was now busy trying to dig his way into the rabbit's compartment. The rabbit was running round and round in a panic-stricken circle. Meanwhile, the donkey had finally snapped a rope that it and braying loudly scattered the spectator and made a home. अब जो डॉगी था उसने फाइनली अपने केज में से निकलने के लिए जगह बना ली और जाके वो रैबिट के उसमें घुसने की कोशिश कर रहा था. रैबिट डर के मारे इधर उधर भाग रहा था. फिर धीरे धीरे सब क्या हुआ, सब देखने वाले भी इधर उधर भागने लगे कि ये क्या हो गया जैसे डॉगी खुल गया. कोकी वेंट इनटू अ रेस्क्यू ऑफ हर रैबिट एंड सून हैड इट क्रेडल इन हर आर्म्स. फिर जो कोकी थी वो जल्दी से भाग के अपने डॉगी को बचाने गई और उसने पकड़ लिया. द डॉग नाउ turned his attention to the duck. The duck flew over the packing case while the dog landed in it, scattering the lizard in all directions. In all this confusion, no one noticed the door of a parrot's cage had slipped open. With a quick and whir of her wings, the bird shot out of her cage and flew into a nearby orchard. The parrot's gone, shouted Dolly, and almost immediately a silence fell upon the assembled visitors and children. Even a dog stopped barking. Granny's praying parrot has escaped. How could they possibly face her? Tejus wondered if she would believe him if he told her that it had flown off to heaven. तो अब क्या होता है, जब इतना सब कुछ होता है तो उतने बीच में किसी ने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. पैरट का केज जो था वो खुल गया और पैरट उड़ गया. तभी तेजू सोचता है कि मैं ग्रैनी से झूठा बहाना बना दूंगा कि पैरट के साथ क्या हुआ, कि पैरट हेवन में चला गया. लेकिन ग्रैनी ये मानने वाली नहीं थी. Can you see it? He asked cheerfully. It is in a mango tree, said Dora. It won't come back. The crowd fell away unwillingly and sheer any of her belief when a Koki's grandmother came home and discovered what happened. What we are going to do now? Asked Teju, looking to Koki for help, but Koki was too upset to suggest anything. Mukesh had an idea. I know, he said. We will get another one. How? Well, there is a 10 rupee we have collected. We can buy a new parrot for 10 rupees. Won't Granny? No. The difference, asked Teju. All the hill parrot look alike, said Mukesh. अब वो इतना परेशान हो जाता है तो फिर वो पूछते हैं कि अब क्या करें. फिर कोकी तो बहुत दुखी होती है. वो कहती है उसको कुछ नहीं पता. तभी मुकेश कहता है कि चिंता मत करो, हम नया पैरेट लेके आएंगे. तो तेजू कहता है कि ग्रैनी समझ नहीं जाएंगे कि ये दूसरा पैरेट है. कहता है कि इस हिल के सारे पैरेट एक से ही लगते हैं. सो टेकिंग अ केज विद देम दे हरीड ऑफ टू अ बाजार where they soon found a bird seller who was happy to sell them a parrot not like Granny's. He assured them it would talk. It looked like your grandmother's parrot, said Mukesh on our way to home. But can it pray? Of course not, said Koki, but we can teach it. Koki's grandmother, who was a short-sighted, did not notice the substitution, but she complained bitterly that the bird had stopped repeating prayer and was instead making rude noises and even swearing occasionally. Teju soon remedied this sad state of affairs. Every morning he stood in front of a parrot's cage and repeated Granny's prayer. Within a few weeks, the bird had learned to repeat one of them. Granny was happy again, not only because her parrot has started praying once more, but also because Teju has started praying too. अब क्या हुआ, वो उसको लेके आए न्यू पैरेट। लग तो वो पुराने पैरेट की तरह रहता, पर जो ग्रैनी थी उनकी आईसाइट इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, तो वो डिफरेंस नहीं पहचान पाई उसमें। फिर उनने कहा कि ये तो प्रेयर गाना ही बंद कर दी, तो तेजू ने उसे धीरे धीरे सारी प्रेयर सिखा दी। एटलीस्ट एक प्रेयर उसने गाना शुरू कर दी, तो ग्रैनी बहुत खुश हुई एंड में कि इवन तेजू हैड स्टार्टेड प्रेइंग।